Humanoid Robot Breakthrough, HMND01 Alpha targets $1 trillion industry. UK startup Humanoid has just unveiled its first robot, the HMND01, a dual-armed mobile manipulator designed to support industrial workers. The company built the machine in just 7 months. Founder Artem Sokolov says the goal is simple: take repetitive, physical draining jobs off people's shoulders so they can focus on more meaningful work. Here's what makes Alpha interesting. It stands about 7 feet 3 inches tall, moves up to 4.4 miles per hour and can carry around 33 pounds of both arms. Its reach spans from the floor to 6.6 feet high, even into shelving almost 2 feet deep. With 29 active degrees of freedom and swapping end effectors, either a 5-fingered hand or heavy-duty grippers, it's built for versatility. Cameras and depth sensors give it a full 360-degree perception for warehouse and retail environments. The market potential is huge. In the US alone, there are over 600,000 unfulfilled manufacturing jobs, projected to hit 2.5 million by 2030. Humanoid estimates today's $38 billion industrial robotics market could grow up to $1 trillion by 2050. Backed by $50 million in founder-led capital, Humanoid is rolling out Alpha for industrial testing from warehousing to logistic hubs. A beta version is already scheduled for Q3 2026. So while the HMND01 Alpha won't take over the world, it might just take over the warehouse aisles, making work a little easier and industry a little more productive. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.